Hi to everyone at home. I am here with Chef Krista Van Wagner. We are back at the Taste of Buffalo virtual culinary stage. Today we are having a taste of the Caribbean. It's a fun Sunday afternoon in Buffalo. What better thing could we be making today?
I'm so excited. And they're cooking along with us too, right?
Yes, so they are cooking along
great.
with us. We are so excited today to be sponsored by the New York pork producers and Tops Friendly Markets. So everything we'll be cooking with today, you can find at Tops. It's so easy to go get everything. If you're cooking along with us today, we hope that you're able to follow along. Or if you're just watching from home, you'll be able to rewatch this and cook this recipe with your family all summer long.
I am so happy to be here, and I'm so proud to share.
Yes, so we're making 3 fun things today.
Okay.
Mango chutney,
Absolutely.
Jamaican jerk pork sliders,
Yes.
and jerk mayo.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Unbelievable. You studied, didn't you? I'm so impressed with this girl. Here, you got it. You got it going on.
All right, and we have a secret for everyone at home. We're using a Taste of Buffalo award-winning sauce, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
Okay, I won't spoil the surprise. And I'm a little starstruck. I'm here with the Taste of Buffalo winner.
It's amazing. Boy, what it did for our restaurant.
Yeah, that's amazing.
It makes a restaurant. So yes,
Kicked
we
off
won
your
with
career.
we won with the jerk marinade.
Okay, and people, we are going to show the sauce, but the marinade hopefully will be available soon at Tops Friendly Markets.
Yes, but the hot sauce is.
The hot sauce is available. You can go get that now.
Thank you. Oh, I'm so excited.
Yes.
And thank you, Tops. Love you. All right, so what are we going to do?
What's
Pork.
first?
Love the pork. I, once again, used the tenderloin.
Okay.
Okay, because it's smaller. If I was serving 6 to 8 to 12 people, get the loin. It's a larger loin. I just marinated in a Ziploc baggie.
And how long did we marinate it?
Please
Overnight?
do it overnight,
Yes.
if you would. And just every once in a while, move it around. So
That's
I've got
some beautiful
that,
pork.
Yeah, I got the tenderloin. You're special.
Yum.
I got
Yum.
the best. I can't afford that when I'm feeding 500 people.
Yes,
but
exactly.
for us, I broke down and I got the tenderloin.
Okay, and we are able to get the beautiful pork because of the New York pork producer. So thank you again for all of your hard work. Look at this beautiful cut.
There we go. That's
We're ready.
just marinated. What I'm going to do is just put it in a hot pan, and we'll sear that off a little bit. We'll pop it in the oven, and then we'll start right away on our chutney.
All
How's
right.
that sound? Okay, let me
Good.
you can let me know when your pan's hot.
Yes.
I'm
okay.
going to let you do that.
I'm
How's
going to
that?
police this.
You police
I got
that. And how about we get started on that chutney right away? And this
Yum.
is what makes the dish.
Okay.
You know, and
The
the
mango
islands,
chutney.
yeah, and the islands. There's just mangoes everywhere.
Yes.
So in a hot pan, I am going to, I got that pan getting hot. Let's get that get hot. And I'll just briefly go over the mise en place
Yep.
for the dish. You love that
Beautiful.
word.
I love mise en place.
Okay, you
I
can
love
be
it.
my Vanna. So we have the onions that I diced up small.
Beautiful.
The mango,
Beautiful.
lime or lemon, your call. Okay, brown sugar, some golden raisins, and jalapenos.
Yum.
And if you like, I put a little red curry paste. I mean,
Beautiful.
that's always good. And of course, a bit of my hot sauce. And this is the secret, is
Yes.
that ginger. Do you love ginger?
I do love ginger.
I love ginger. When I lived in Jamaica, if I had any ailment, they would make me ginger tea.
I love it.
So I want to tell you, if you have
Okay.
any kind of upset
Yeah.
stomach,
Yeah.
just
perfect.
take this and make ginger tea.
Okay.
And
that's
make
the
it
secret.
fresh. Make it fresh.
Okay.
Slice it, put it in the water.
Yum.
Okay, and and let it steam.
Love it.
Or let it infuse.
I love the color of mangoes.
Oh,
my
you
gosh.
know what? Well, can you be so kind to add them to my dish?
I'd be honored.
Go ahead. Add it right. It's hot. Excellent. This is the dish for you. Add my onions, but only half.
Okay, only
I was
half.
in a crazy mood yesterday. My mise en place, I did a little extra.
It's okay.
Okay, I'll
We
use.
love
There you
extra.
go, a little extra.
We like onions.
Go ahead and add the jalapenos.
Got it?
This is a product identification class. I don't have
Yeah.
to do all the work. And the fresh ginger is the most important. How do you treat this? What do you do with it? Have you ever worked with it?
I don't believe so.
No.
Today's
Please-
the day.
Okay, please get fresh ginger when you're doing this, okay? And when you want to get the skin
Wow.
off, you could just remove it like so.
So she's just scraping it with a spoon.
Yes, with the spoon, with the back side of the spoon.
Love
and you
it.
can just put it on your microplane.
Mm.
Okay, I love microplanes, okay? And just grate it, but take the skin off, please.
Okay.
That's my oven. And there we go.
We are ready.
So that's it. What did we forget? Oh, the golden raisins we're going to add at the end.
Okay.
But could you give me a little brown sugar?
Yes, just a little.
Yeah, there you go. I
Okay.
like having an assistant here. This
I'm
is-
hired.
Yeah, colorful and beautiful. Now we're gonna taste the acidity. We're gonna, the recipes I gave to you, lay out your mise en place.
Yeah.
Okay, but grab that apple cider vinegar, and I do
Okay.
recommend you use apple cider vinegar. All right, now I'm gonna leave this up to you. The recipe's there for you, okay?
Okay.
But I want to teach you about acidity.
Teach me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So go ahead and add a little bit of that vinegar there. Okay.
How much is a little?
Okay, keep going like quarter cup.
Okay.
Okay, because I'm trying to balance it. Equal parts sugar and equal parts vinegar. All right, now I want you to do me a favor.
I'm ready.
Add me 4 drops of hot sauce.
Yeah, I love
All right, you go
hot
down.
sauce.
Shake it good. It comes out fast. Be so careful. Okay.
I love hot sauce.
Onions, thyme, garlic,
Yum.
and tomato. It's a beautiful
I
combination.
did a lot, but we like heat around here.
With the habanero.
If
It's
you
a
can't take the
really good-
heat,
Yeah.
stay out of Chef Krista's kitchen.
Well, you know what? I've calmed down in my lifetime. You know, I'm not as hot as I used to be.
Stop it.
Anyway, no. Okay, now taste this for me, and you tell me, without using a recipe. We're testing it for the sugar, the brown sugar, and the vinegar.
It's
I want a balance. Sweet, too sweet. Add more vinegar.
It's sweet.
Okay, I
I
don't want
definitely
it.
taste the vinegar, and I did a bit of a kick.
I want balance.
Are you okay with a kick?
Yeah. Oh, the kick's what it's all about. my
Okay.
dear. Okay, now let me see if we have balance. I think you made balance.
Okay.
Let me check.
Yeah, you have to check it. How'd I do?
All right, she's spot on. The heat is perfect. I get it right back here.
Good.
The vinegar's there, but then it's finished with the sweetness.
I
Now,
love it.
Let's build. Let's build. This is the best part
We're
of
building.
cooking. I'm gonna give you a microplane.
Okay.
Wait, our pan's ready. Let's get our pork in the oven.
Okay, I was
Are
supposed
you
to be
ready?
watching that.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, I'm just gonna put the skin side down.
Oh,
Okay.
do you hear that sizzle?
Okay,
Wow.
There we go. And that was a perfect pan.
Okay.
Don't breathe those fumes.
Okay.
What is in the jerk marinade?
We don't have to oil the pan?
Nah.
Okay.
This is a nice cast iron
Okay,
skillet.
love it.
Don't breathe.
Okay.
Don't breathe. And in the oven.
Okay, perfect.
400 degrees.
Perfect.
And you pull it out.
TV
And
magic.
that's what it looks like.
Wow, that's beautiful.
So we're gonna let this rest
Yum.
right here while we do our accompaniments, our
beautiful.
sauces. I'm gonna just get
So
rid of
for
this.
everyone at home, how long was that in the oven?
That was in the oven for 30 minutes.
Beautiful.
The tenderloin is perfect.
Beautiful.
Okay? It's pink. It's light.
Yum.
You know what I mean? Light
Yes.
pink is fine. You don't have to cook it.
Okay.
165 I recommend.
Okay, 165 for a half hour.
Okay.
Got it.
That is all it takes. Depends
Got
on
it.
the size of the pork loin you got.
Got it.
All right, this is about ready, but I'm gonna add some ginger.
Okay.
Just burn her off. Now you can breathe.
Okay, now I'll breathe.
There we go. I know. Boy,
That's a
that-
long time to hold my breath.
I know. You can breathe now. This is nothing but beauty. So fresh ginger.
Yum.
How much? You know, I at least put in a teaspoon.
Love it.
Okay, and you did a great job with the vinegar and the sugar. That was perfect. How about some
did it.
zest? You did it. I love lime. All right, so I like the zest. I don't want to. It's too hot for you. I got it.
Okay.
Just like so. Have you ever zested?
Yeah, I can do
Okay.
it.
Okay, go
I
ahead.
can take the heat.
Zest me, zest me, zest me. Yeah. Okay, I love the zest. Just put a bit of zest in there, and that
How am I
just
doing?
you're doing perfect because she's not going too far down. When you're zesting, don't go down too far into the pit
Okay.
because it gets bitter. And let me show them what you did perfect. There you go. She stopped, okay? You don't want to keep going. You don't want all that pith. So perfect on that.
Yay.
And I think that's
Good?
great. Let's
Okay.
give it a quick squeeze of the
Perfect.
lime juice, and that'll brighten
that
it right
squeeze?
up. Yep. It brightens it up. You let that simmer.
Perfect.
All right. And then last but not least, we got to make our jerk mayo.
Love it.
That's resting. Always let your pork rest, please, at least 10 to 15 minutes. If you take that knife right after you put it out of the oven,
Yeah.
what'll happen is all those juices will run out.
Chef, what if
Okay.
I'm worried about it cooling off?
Oh, no. Well, you cover the little piece of foil.
Got it.
Okay, but
Okay.
just whatever you do, please remember, do not cut right after it gets out of the oven.
Got it.
Your juices will squirt out
Yep.
everywhere.
Let it rest.
Okay, I'm going to add my raisins
Ooh,
now.
yum. So we
Okay,
waited
just
a
a
bit
little
to
bit.
add the raisins.
Yep, and I'm simmering it just for a few more minutes. This is a little red curry paste, just a drop of it.
Yeah.
That I don't know if a lot of people like the red curry paste.
I do.
I think it adds just a zip to it. I
Yes.
had it in my fridge, so I threw it in.
Yum. Yeah, and you can find that at Tops as well,
Oh,
along
yes.
with all the other ingredients that we're cooking with today. Chef, if anyone missed our segment yesterday, we were also on the Taste of Buffalo virtual culinary stage
Yes.
yesterday, but I want the folks at home today watching to get a little taste of your background. You know, we're cooking with a lot of Caribbean flavors today. How do you know how to cook all of this?
I was lucky enough. I lived in the islands for 2.5 years.
Wow.
Jamaica, Grand Cayman. So I kind of lived you know, the cuisine. I lived it. I learned the people, the culture,
Yeah.
and came back and bottle produced Jamaican jerk sauce and hot sauce.
Love it.
Won a few awards at the Taste
Yeah.
of Buffalo.
A winner.
Okay.
Yeah, so you
Winner,
brought the
winner.
taste
Yep.
right back to
Yep.
us. We love it.
Yes, I did it in 1991, 92, 93.
Okay, well, we're
It took-
lucky that you came back here. We're glad to have you.
Well, I'm proud to share this recipe. You know, this is
Yeah.
the chutney. Let's do that jerk mayo.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
So our pork is resting. We've got our mango chutney still on the stove simmering, right?
Yes, we do.
All right, and now let's make the jerk mayo.
Sound good, okay?
Yeah.
So here we go. Basically, I use Hellman's mayonnaise,
Perfect.
but you can use vegan, you know, if you want.
All
I
right.
love all of our new choices that we have now.
Yeah.
I'm proud. I'm just really proud.
Yeah.
And if you'd be so kind,
Yes.
that is pureed scallion.
All of it?
All of it.
Wow, I don't think I've ever seen pureed scallion.
Yeah, it was difficult to do. This you need a food processor for.
Okay.
You have to do it in the food processor.
Okay.
Teaspoon or a tablespoon of water.
Okay, if people at home don't have a food
Yeah.
processor, can they crush it?
You could just chop it up as fine as you can, but I would love if you had the food processor and spin it, let it go and let it go and let it go. And then we're gonna put in the island spices. Okay, so what what spices come from the islands? Think about it.
I mean, everything Jamaican jerk, right?
Yes, okay, so we got allspice.
Yeah.
Allspice.
Okay, yum.
Allspice, cinnamon.
Okay, yum.
Okay, nutmeg.
Yum.
All of these grow on the island.
Okay.
Okay, and then of course we're using the habanero or the Scotch bonnet pepper sauce.
Scotch
Okay.
bonnet.
So I've got nutmeg,
Yum.
allspice,
Oh,
cinnamon. Now just the cinnamon idea,
wow.
it's crazy good. And this is a wonderful mayonnaise. You
Yum.
could use it for a Caribbean lobster salad if you
Oh my
like.
gosh.
You could use it for a pork sandwich, like
Yum.
that schnitzel that we served.
Yes, yes.
Just slather it
Yesterday,
on that.
if you missed it, we made some schnitzel. So go back and check out that video on the Taste of Buffalo Facebook if you missed it.
And,
It was a great video.
and you know what? One of my favorite things is just this with a slice of turkey on bread.
Yum.
and I'm
You
gonna-
should bottle this.
Yeah, I will.
I'm gonna help you
I'm gonna
market
do
it.
that for you. Okay.
We'll sell it at Tops.
Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit of hot sauce to it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, please.
All right, and then just a little bit of lemon juice, and that will brighten
Love
it
it.
right up. So that is our jerk mayonnaise, and
Yum.
we'll put that in a bowl. Our chutney is thickening.
All right.
Can you see what's happening?
I do.
Isn't that just beauteous?
So
Look
that's
at
what
that.
we're waiting for. Is it to
Yes,
thicken up?
it's just thickened. It comes down. It reduces
it.
down. So if you add a little too much vinegar, you can just take it down a little
Yeah.
bit, but do it slowly.
Yes.
Okay, I mean, I'm not at a rapid
Yeah.
boil.
We're not in a rush.
We're not.
You're not in a rush on the islands.
You're not in a rush.
So
no,
we can't be in a rush
slow
making
down.
this food.
So and now the jerk. Let's talk about the jerk marinade. What's that all about?
Yeah.
Well, the jerk marinade is there's different styles of jerk. Mine is the marinade. Okay.
Yep.
Allspice, cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg,
Yeah.
fresh thyme. Lots of fresh thyme, lots of scallion,
Yeah.
ginger, garlic. I put a little pineapple juice in this and a little brown sugar. So marinate overnight.
Yep.
It's great in stir fries as well.
Yeah.
The rubs, they sell the rubs, okay?
Yeah. Yum.
Okay, and then they also sell the dry spice, which
Yep.
is what I use on fish.
Okay.
Okay, or you can marinate your fish in this too. This is great with salmon, shrimp, and scallops.
Yum.
Okay, sound good?
Yeah.
Let me get
And
the,
again, be on the lookout for that marinade at Tops.
let me get it there. Yes,
The
I
hot
will.
sauce is there, but we're
Yeah.
speaking the marinade into existence at
Yeah,
Tops.
what happened was I after I sold the restaurant, I wanted everyone to know all about gluten-free.
Yeah.
Crazy me. So I made the sauce jerkalicious. And it was done with gluten-free soy. And what happened was, you had to add pineapple juice and soy sauce to it. People were shopping at Tops and they'd say, "I'm sorry, Krista, I want the old jerk marinade back. I don't care if it's gluten-free.
Oh.
Okay, I can't find pineapple juice."
Yeah.
That was my story.
Okay.
But it's okay. So now I'm bringing it back. So I took that off.
Yep.
And now I'm bringing this back.
Love it. Love
All
it.
right.
We're coming back.
All right. So I'm gonna just finish this off and
This is
just
beautiful.
grab a roll. I'm gonna carve it up for you. Let's put this beautiful slider together.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, this jerk mayo is great
Yes.
on street corn.
I love street
Curly-
corn.
Yes, Curly's used this on their street corn. They won at the Taste of Buffalo for it 2 years ago.
I love street corn.
Okay, so that was it. Was a jerk corn.
Yeah.
So I've got some beautiful accompaniments here. I'm gonna get rid of this. We got our hot sauce,
And congrats to Curly's for your continued success at the Taste of Buffalo. You're keeping the name going.
Yes,
It was
thank
her
you.
grandfather's place, and they won, and now the new owners are still winning at the Taste, so we're very happy to see that continued success.
Thank you. Yeah, they're killing it.
Awesome.
Althena's doing a great job. I'm so
Good.
proud of her.
Good.
And let's
The
fry it
mango's
up.
looking nice and thick.
Are you ready? Okay. So
Wow.
slather this on.
This is wow. What a good Sunday in Buffalo. Are you kidding
I'm
me?
feeling good about it.
I'm feeling good.
Feeling really good about
You
it.
know,
Let me
this
grab
is-
from-
Okay, this is gonna prep me for a good Sunday fun day. This is looking good. Yum. Smells so good. I hope you're doing good at home. If you're just watching us to learn and listen along with us while we cook, you can go to Tops for all of these ingredients and then rewatch this video. It'll be up on the Taste of Buffalo Facebook page, and you can rewatch this and cook this at home. This is looking delicious.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, so
Born ready.
we start out with a bit of the jerk mayonnaise on the bottom.
Look how juicy this is.
I know. I have like a science about this. So, and remember, I treated you today with the tenderloin. If you're not feeding a lot, buy that tenderloin. It marinates up overnight
Wow.
so fast.
What a treat.
Yeah, I'm feeling it is. This is special. Okay, and look how nice and moist it is.
Wow.
It's just beautiful. Okay,
That's a good knife too. Wow.
Oh, yeah, I won it in one of the fundraisers doing the sandwich. Isn't
Oh,
that funny?
really? How
That's
funny.
so funny, yeah. Yes.
It all comes together.
I know. We always serve
Wow.
these. So we're just going to top that with a little of your sliced pork, marinated overnight in that chutney.
Oh my
I like
gosh.
the end cut, so I'm going to put that right there.
Yes.
And then we'll just finish it with just a little bit
Wow.
of that mango chutney on top.
Okay.
And we'll slather it.
This is a taste of the islands right here.
Yeah. Yeah,
Wow.
go big or go home.
Do we
I'm
need the
telling you
mayo?
right now. The mayo I put on the bottom.
Okay.
There's a technique. Mayo
There's a
bottom,
technique. Okay.
pork, and then your
Perfect.
chutney. And the hot sauce I serve on the side.
I love it. Well, thank you, Chef. This looks delicious. Oh my goodness. I hope at home you can see this.
I'll
We-
put it on a plate if you
Yeah,
like.
yeah,
Would you
let's
like to
play it
present
up. Let's show
Okay,
everyone
I'll
at
do it.
home. If you're following along, please be sure to post up your end products on social media, tag the Taste of Buffalo and our sponsors. We are so glad to be here today. We're at Artisan Kitchen and Bath. That's this beautiful space. The Taste of Buffalo virtual culinary stage is sponsored by Buffalo Spree, and all of the Taste of Buffalo is sponsored by Tops Friendly Markets. We're so glad to be here, and thank you again to the New York pork producers for helping us create this lovely dish today. We're so glad to be here with Chef Krista. Check out her sauce. You can get the hot sauce at Tops along with all the other ingredients we cooked with today. Look out for the marinade. It's coming. We promise. It's coming.
And it's around. I sell it at a lot of local outlets
yeah.
through the store.
Yes, you
through
can
the
find.
area.
Yes, you can find it locally here in Western New York, but specifically at Tops. We'll be on the lookout for that. Thank you again, Chef Krista. This looks amazing.
I'm so proud to share this with you. I'm
Yes.
not going to make you take a bite, but it's a beautiful contrast, you know?
I love it. Well, at home, we hope that you had a successful time cooking. We hope you're having fun and enjoying the Taste of Buffalo virtually, and we can't wait to see you again soon.